Okay, I'm just here fixing a roof leak that the customers had for a while. They got this valley here and it all looks like it's in reasonable condition. But you can see here I've just pulled this tile out of here, and underneath the tile, like they cleaned the valley itself out, but underneath the tile is still a whole lot of leaves and sticks and stuff, and obviously over time that's going to rust through your valley sheet, right? But if I pull that out of the way there now, right, you can see that's the valley sheet there. But have a look. This is the actual problem. Is it this valley comes down to here and then it overlaps on the top of this one, right? And then that seal through there is actually leaking over time, and letting water through in onto the ceiling, and it's actually caused, probably thousands of dollars worth of damage inside to the plaster and the paint. And so this here, you can see that flashing there is not attached to the other one, and where they join, when it was all nice and clean and water flowed quickly off, it probably didn't leak at all. But when you've got leaves all blocking the water up and holding it there, then the water has to flow around the leaves and it pools up and acts like a dam, and then when this is dammed up, the water can actually flow under there and up over into the roof. So that's what's been going on, and so I'll fix that up for them, and then hopefully it shouldn't leak.